another essential to our SME. So, our next topic is about why one size fits all system fail. So, the case for culture specific solutions. Now, for our next speaker, please welcome Jas Barinaga, visionary lead and founder of LYB IT Solutions, a company recognized for revolutionizing and the franchising industry with its culture specific systems like Franchise Flu. With over a decade of experience in creating innovative solutions tailored for SMEs like you in the Philippines, Jazz is passionate about empowering businesses to thrive in their unique environment. Today, Jazz will share insights on why systems need to fit your culture for businesses to truly succeed. Ladies and gents, let's give a warm welcome to Jason Jazz Barinaga, the founder of Franchise Flow. Good afternoon, Jazz. Good morning, Papalam.
Maaga pa.
Good morning.
Thank you for that very wonderful introduction. Good morning, Phil SME. So, napakadami ng participants ngayon. First of all, I'm happy and grateful that I get to be on this stage to share to you some of the important things with regards to our SMEs dito sa Pilipinas. So, by the way, ulitin ko lang ng konti sinabi niya para doon sa mga hindi nakakilala sa akin. My name is Jazz Barinaga. I'm the founder of LYB IT Solutions and the creator of Franchise Flow. Now, pwede ko po ba malaman sino po dito yung mga negosyante? Show of hands lang po. Sino po yung mga negosyante, mga may negosyo? Yan. Sino po yung into franchising business? Mga franchisors. Sino sa inyo yung may negosyo na multi-branch ang operation? Ang dami. Okay. So, I will not going to bore you with numbers. This is kind of a different presentation. Ang topic natin is why one size fits all system fail. Okay? So, ang kailangan kasi natin, system that fits our culture. Okay? So, tingnan natin. I'm gonna start with the pandemic. So, during the pandemic, madaming businesses ang nag-close, tama? Madami rin nag-open, nakakita ng opportunities, and madami rin ang nag-pivot. Yung ibang mga restaurants naging cloud kitchen, yung mga tipong gano'n, nagkaroon ng maraming orders for delivery, 'di ba? Parang naging ano na-push pa din yung e-commerce natin kasi kailangan na natin mag-order online kasi hindi tayo makalabas at mag-shopping, right? So during that pandemic, towards the end of it, I think last quarter ng 2022, um, yung mga negosyante nagpupulong-pulong. I don't know if you have realized na may nangyayaring mga group meetings ng mga business owners wherein they shared their ideas, their challenges, yung mga experiences nila. And I was fortunate enough na naging part ako ng ganong group. So I met businessmen from all walks of life, all industries, malaki, maliit, and they share their experiences. At doon nauso yung collaboration. During this pandemic, they realized na hindi kailangan ng competition. Ang kailangan collaboration. Yes? Naniniwala ba kayo doon na mas maganda collaboration kaysa sa competition? Sure, there is competition, but there is a way to collaborate. Tama? Kumbaga, mas maganda kung mas marami ang nagtutulong-tulong. Masyadong malaki ang market para isa lang mag-dominate. Yes? So, I got a chance to be with this group. And dito ko nalaman na for the past decade, hindi nag-innovate ang franchising business or multi-branch business operation dito sa Pilipinas when it comes to business processing. Okay, dito ko nalaman. Actually, I was shocked. So for the longest time, our company does customized web application. And the reason for that is still existing today because softwares na ini-introduce dito sa Pilipinas are not fit on how SMEs operate in the Philippines. So kaya hanggang ngayon, marami pa rin tayong dito, may nakikita akong mga nagko-custom ng software from ground up, hindi yung iniiba-iba lang ng konti, talaga ground up, still exist. Bakit? Kasi hindi fit yung mga software na dumadating dito sa Pilipinas, and I'll show you. Okay? So next, dito ko nalaman na these are the tools that our multi-branch businesses here in the Philippines use. Look at this. Familiar kayo sa mga icon na to. Current tools in use. Calculator. Right? Of course, kailangan ng calculator. Excel sheet. Yes, ginagamit. Google Drive to share files and Excel. Right? Um, Gmail. Minsan ginagamit yung Messenger for communication. Ginagamit yung Viber for communication. Yes? Tools, okay naman. Tama? These are tools. These are legitimate tools for business. But for multi-branch operation or franchising operation, there are better tools than this. Okay? So, pag ginawa mo to kasi, minsan ang perception natin, nag-digitalize na tayo. Naging digital na. Okay? Example, kung magamit ka ng standalone system, so we're talking about franchising and multi-branch. So if you're using standalone systems, akala mo naka-digitalize ka na. And it's true, digitalize ka na. But there is a difference between digitalization and automation. O, magkaiba yun. Okay? So dapat alam nung lahat na iba yung digitalization lang, yung sinusulat mo dati, kinomputer mo. In-input mo sa isang database, digitalization, may konting function, nakakapag-search ka, digitalized na. Yes. But what you need in scaling your operation is not just digitalization. It's automation. So babaya papakita ko po sa inyo. So standalone system, okay standalone system. It does the job kung isa, dalawa, tatlo lang yung branches mo. It does the job. Sa dalawa, tatlo branches mo, hire ka ng isang tao, buong maghapon, mag-Excel sheet siya. O yung branch mo na sa Mindanao, isa sa Cebu, isa sa Visayas, isa anong tawag dito? Sa Manila, every year end, kukunin mo yung sales report nila, ipapasubmit mo through Excel. Yes? Ipapasubmit mo through Excel. So imagine, if paano ka mag-scale if ganito yung ginagawa mo. But, yeah, papakita ko sa inyo. All-in-one systems. Yung all-in-one systems, ganito yan. A much right fit for it is generic systems. So there are systems na gawa na siya and then ginawa siya sa ibang lugar and then i-introduce sa Pilipinas. And then nasasabihin nila sa'yo, eto yung tama. When in fact, they don't know how your business runs. Tama? Hindi nila alam kung paano ka dumiskarte. Every entrepreneur, every businessman, may kanya-kanyang diskarte. Yun ang kultura natin. Kaya nga mamaya meron tayong guest na ang pag-uusapan, wais, di ba? Kultura natin, wais. Kultura din natin ang dumiskarte. So marami tayong kultura na kapag ginamit mo system, hindi fit sa'yo, masisira ang diskarte mo. Okay? Doon mo malalaman yung kagalingan ng entrepreneur sa diskarte. You have your own way to operate your business. He has his own way to operate your business. So magkakaiba lahat. Yan. So dito yata. So napapakita ko sa inyo, ano ba yung sinasabi ko na culture specific dapat yung system? So ito yun. The system should align three things. Number one, people. Pag gumawa ka ng system, kailangan you always have the people in mind. Sino ba yung gagamit ng system? So as a business owner, as an SME, sino ba gagamit ng system? Yung business owner, right? Business owner have specific behaviors, have specific skills. Tama? Ang gagamit niyan, mga empleyado mo. They also have specific skills, they also have specific behaviors. Ang pangatlong gagamit, mga stakeholders. Kung meron kayong mga stakeholders. Again, they have different perspective on business, they have different behaviors. And lastly, even customers may use your system if you have loyalty programs or rewards program or sa kultura natin, suki. Tama? So that's specific. And then business. So what kind of business do you have? Anong industry ba ikaw? Kasi ang sales, ang inventory for manufacturing is different from an inventory of a regular ano. So kaya sinasabi ko, one size cannot fit all. Kaya ang problema, minsan, pag may software ka na, may isang tao ka pa rin buong araw nag-Excel sheet. You get me, guys? Yes? Okay. So ang third is technology. Bakit last ang technology? Una ang people, of course. And then the business, the workflows. Okay? And then the technology. You don't create a system for people to use because you know the technology. No. Halimbawa, ngayon may AI. Ang dami mong pwedeng gawin sa AI. Ba't ang tanong, yung ginawa mo ba sa AI, totoo ba talaga mag-fit sa negosyo sa SMSE? Not because you know the technology, you can create a system na i-adapt ng mga Pilipino. Okay? That's why it's last. After you determine who uses the system, what kind of business it is, what are the workflows, that is the time you're going to think, what technology will I use to create the system para mag-match sa lahat. So it's people, business, and technology. So after ilang meetings with franchisors, franchisees, suppliers, so it went around like more than a year para malaman ko. So yung ginawa namin, which is introduce ko mamaya, hindi siya yung dumaan sa mga startup process na kailangan mo mag-product market fit. Wala siyang ganun. Bago na-create yung product, meron nang nag-aantay na gagamitin, na gagamit. Kasi galing siya sa pain points and challenges ng mga franchisors and multi-branch businesses na operation. So anong kailangan specifically ng isang SME na Pinoy? So kailangan ma-address yun. Hindi yun nabukuha sa research kung sinong binayaran mo. Hindi. You have to be shoulder to shoulder with the SMEs on the ground. Ako mismo SME, to see the real scenario. Okay? Ganun siya. So it took me a year for my team, a year. But I've been doing this for the past decade. Kasi ang mga nakakausap ko, business owners, SMEs na nagpapa-custom sa amin ng software. So that's why we exist. So tingnan nyo yung isa-isa. Number one, kung franchising ka, kailangan yung system mo brandable. So isa yan sa pillars ng franchising. Isa yan sa principle, brandable. Number two, they want franchisors, may-ari, to have their own tools para ma-monitor nila lahat ng nangyayari. Number three, kailangan nila, yung franchisee nila, dapat may tools din. Paano niya ma-monitor? Alam niyo kung bakit? Here's the scenario. OFW, nag-business, binentahan mo ng franchise, may negosyo na isa. First time business owner. Eh, hindi naman marunong mag-accounting yun. Hindi naman marunong kumuha ng cost of goods yun. And yet, you are selling a ready-made system. Right? So, ano nangyari? Nagsara. Okay? Continue natin. Real-time monitoring, may sales and inventory, purchase and deliveries. So, marami. Pwede nyo na lang siya basahin. Pwede nyo na lang siya basahin. Ganun kadami. And, ano yung naging solution natin? So, important thing is, ano yung naging solution? Ayan. So, imagine this. Medyo may delay ng konti. Ang dami ko na palang napindot. Oh, wait lang. Ayan. So what if we have a way to address all these needs ng isang multi-branch na negosyo? Tama ba na gusto ng negosyante na real time niya makikita kung anong nangyayari sa mga branches niya? Yes? 'Di ba? Because para matulungan niya yung branch. It's the reason why na minsan ang galing mo mag-open ng branch, mag-expand ng branch, You can expand even up to 80 branches in just 1 year. May mga kilala kaming ganon. Pero ang tanong, nagsasara din dahan-dahan. Bakit? Hindi nila kasalanan actually. Hindi kasalanan ng franchisor, hindi kasalanan ng franchisee. It's just that walang nagturo na pwede siya i-automate. Hindi lang i-digitalize sa Excel. Okay? So, pwede siyang i-automate. So, imagine, eto tingnan nyo. Lahat nung kanina, parang nag-skip. Parang nag-skip kasi. Ayan, sige. So imagine, ikaw, franchisor or head office ka, eto yung mga tools mo. Eto sa taas. Eto yung ginagamit mo. Effective siya sa'yo kasi one branch ka eh. You can manage it. One branch, effective siya sa'yo. Ngayon, mag-open ka ng next branch. Ang ituturo mo, ang iduduplicate mo, yung sistema mo para sa kanila. Ano tatawa si sir? Tama? Oh. Second branch mo, iduduplicate mo. O yung opening team mo, gusto nang mag-resign. O, kasi tinuturo nila, accounting. Ang binentahan mo ng franchise mo, OFW, first time business owner, o nagbigay ka ng basic accounting sa kanya, lecture. O kung sarili mong branch, nile-lecturean mo yung manager mo. Tama? Imagine, habang ino-open mo, ganun ang senaryo. And then come reporting time, end of the month, kailangan mo makuha ang sales report nilang lahat and you have 84 branches or 150 branches. Right? Hanggang kailan mo sa i-duplicate ng ganun? We have clients 500 branches. Oh, pero nagsasara din dahan-dahan. Okay? Again, hindi nila kasalanan. Walang nagsabi na pwede automate. Pwede naman old school Chinese style. Bukas, dagdag tao, isang account manager para sa lahat, sa 20, sa dagdag, pero nagdadagdag ka ng human error every isang nagdadag ka ng human behavior that you have to deal with para mag-expand ka. Yes? So, ganun ang senaryo. Now, imagine, kung eto, pwede natin mabigyan ng solusyon. Yan. So, what if there is a way to automate your business process? What if pwede namin kayo bigyan na isang portal for you as a franchisor, as the owner, and then lahat ng branches nyo, meron din silang sariling portal. At yung portal na yon, nakalink yun sa inyo na monitor mo lahat ng nangyayari in real time. For example, sila mismo sa portal nila, meron na silang sariling tools to monitor if their business mismo as a branch or as a franchisee is profitable or not. Kasi may sales and inventory na rin, naka-tailored sa kanila. They have their own way to record their sales. They have their own way to monitor their inventory. They have their own way to record their expenses. And they have a basic profit and loss statement at the end of the day, week, month, or year. So integrated na. At the same time, hindi mo kailangan antayin yung sales report nila or inventory report nila. Because right now, at this very moment, kahit na nasa Boracay ka na nagpipinya kolada ka, gusto mo silipin kung may benta o wala, hindi mo tatawagin yung manager mo na busy doon sa area ng selling. You can just view it as simple as that. All of your branches, 84, 500, or 1,000 branches. And you can consolidate report for all of the branches that you have. Ayan. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm introducing to you Franchise Flow. So, Franchise Flow is the first get this on record, is the first, the only franchise management software in the Philippines right now. The first and the only. Okay? So, pwede palakpakan. Biglang may pumalakpak. Yeah, really. Really. Kasi nga hindi namin alam na ganun pala. Hindi pala tayo innovated. We wanted to create a system at par with the quality of Singapore, Malaysia, even Australia, and even the US. Our system Ang backend nito is the same kung anong ginagamit nila. Ang talent nito local kasi malamang ang talent nila Pinoy din. Yes. So nandito. Nandito lahat 'to. Gawang Pilipino para sa Philippine SMEs, okey? Ayan. So, mabilis lang. Eto yung features na meron si Franchise Flow. So, Franchise Flow is basically a sales and inventory system tailored fit for franchising business or multi-branch operation business here in the Philippines. So kahit Philippines ah, we have inquiries na gusto nila dalhin sa ibang lugar. But for now, ang mission ng LYB IT Solutions Philippine First. Hanggat hindi natin na-adapt ng maayos, we will not going global. Okay? So, eto lahat yon. Hindi ko na iisa-isahin. Ayan. So, I want you to know that 80% of our clients already tried other systems. Alam mo matalino ang Binoy, marunong maghanap. Hindi naman napabayaan eh. Nagko-cope up, kaya lang mali yung anong meron. Kaya galing na sila sa ibang system. Kasi alam nila kailangan nila ng system. It's just that hindi fit sa operation nila. And then 20% naka-manual process pa din. So tinutulungan natin sila. So let's take a look. Eto sample. Ah, sabi niya, this is Mr. Leo Angeles from Mama Bus. Bago lang, startup din, 5 branches pa lang nagsisimula. Franchise Flow allowed me to fast track my preparation to my franchise business. Kasi pag nagpapa-franchise ka, if you have franchise flow in your system, you're already halfway. Halfway ka na doon sa process na pagta-transfer mo ng knowledge and technical franchising capabilities doon sa mga franchisee mo. Next is Mr. J. Gibson Enrico, CEO ng Dingras Empanada. 6 branches, usually malls, SM Malls and Walmart. Ang sabi niya, franchise flow made purchase ordering from by franchises effortless. Okay? Kasi hindi na sila gumagamit ng Excel, hindi na nagtatalo kung nasaan na yung order ko, dumating ka ba yung order ko, bayad na ako. So hindi na, wala nang ganyang pagtatalo kasi sinestematize natin. Eto naman, ang last but not the least, si Miss Charisma Serbino. Eto ang cute. Magandang review niya sa amin. Franchise Flow has the best customer service. Very efficient. Yan. Parang nasa maling industriya ako. Dapat yata nasa call center ako. Ito yung review. No? Wala mo lang binanggit ko. Ano maganda. But yeah, really. Culture din natin yun. Although yung iba, gusto nila ng customer service sa atin kasi mahilig tayo makipag-communicate talaga. So isa to sa mga dapat wag nyo i-left out. Hindi dahil system kayo lahat, naka-support ticket lang. Okay? So, eto. Gusto ko lang, before ako mag-end, gusto ko lang i-communicate sa inyo yung mission ng franchise floor ng LYB IT Solution. So, unang-una, every day we wake up, my team wakes up, ang iniisip lang namin, Philippine first. Anything na gagawin namin sa kumpanya is all about Philippines first. So, yun ang una. Hindi kami pwede gumawa ng ibang bagay na ang unang makikinabang ay hindi Pilipino. Dapat Pilipino. Okay ba kayo doon? Agree ba kayo doon? Yes. Okay, so we want to provide quality, usable. Hindi dapat mawala quality pero usable software specifically designed to empower Filipino entrepreneurs. Ayan. So, kung meron kayong matitake dito sa talk ko, 2 things. Number 1, kung yung company nyo nandun na siya sa edge ng decision making na you want to automate your business process using technology, dalawang kailangan mo malaman. Pag pumili ka ng system, dapat fit sa operation mo. One way or the other, gumagana yung sistema mo kahit manual siya. You just have to amplify it, not sirain ang workflow mo. Kasi gumagana na siya. Dapat ma-amplify siya, hindi yung masira yung diskarte mo kung paano mo pinapatakbo yung negosyo mo. Number 2, choose a system that automates your business process. So again, ang automation is different from digitalization. Kung narinig nyo si Manny Pangilinan before, digitalization is done. Yun na yung normal thing. Ang moving forward, kung forward thinker ka, you have to automate na your business process. Okay? So, um, yun lang gusto ko ma-share sa inyo. And if you want to know more about franchise flow, if you want to schedule a demo, you can visit our booth. Nandun kami sa bandang kaliwa, M47. Okay, naka-standby dun. May ready kami dun na pang-demo at andun yung team natin para to know more. Okay? Else, kung gusto nyo online nyo i-view yung demo, pwede nyo scan yung QR code. Naka-ready din yan for online demo. So thank you very much at maraming salamat sa nag-attend at mabuhay tayong lahat mga Pilipino. Philippine first!
Thank you so much, Jas Barinaga, founder of Franchise Blue. Thank you so much, Jas. Grabe, when you presented all the manual things, oh my God, can you just imagine the stress? If you have, like you mentioned, the 84 branches or even the 500, and then receiving all those reports, is imagining the human error na hindi naman talaga maiwasan pag manual.
Yes.
Oh my God, ang sakit sa ulo.
Yeah, I took a to think of it, na generalize na it's okay to have those errors. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi walang solution na na-present.
Exactly.
But
Parang
yes,
naging
yes.
yun exactly. I like that you pointed out na nangyayari talaga eh. But we cannot do that anymore.
Yeah.
Because we have a system.
Yes.
That's amazing. 'Di ba? And it's globally competitive. I love it. Can we
Of
give
course.
another round of applause? It's a Filipino talent, right? All right. And Jazz, also, I know you have mentioned so many testimonials kanina. And one of the things din na gustong malaman ng ating mga business owners, can you also give like a real life example of a culture-specific system na nag-improve yung kanilang business operation?
Okay. So, hindi ko na nailagay kasi dito. Okay. But we have this one client who is into brokerage, okay? So import and export, brokerage sila. And sa industry nila is also super manual. So there is this one company, hindi ko siya mabanggit, kaya siya wala dito because we have the NDA. Okay? So there is this one company, brokerage company in Batangas. And of course, manual. Yun ang nakagisnan. Okay? Pero meron talaga siyang gustong gawin. Gusto niya i-automate. So she approached us and nagpagawa siya ng system. It was very specific kung anong gusto niya. So, nung nakausap ko siya after, here's what she has to say. Sabi niya, yung processing ng documents sa brokerage sometimes takes about 5 days. 3 to 5 days. Ngayon, sa kanila, hours lang. It's
Oh.
10x.
That's a big
10x.
improvement.
Yes. So, yun yung isang real world example na pwede mo i-automate yung business.
From 3 to 5 days in just hours.
Hours. Let's say for example, 2 hours. Kasi 10x ang gauge niya, naging 10x yung output and productivity nila.
And the accuracy.
Yes.
Not
Yes.
just the efficiency, accuracy. That's very important.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jazz, for sharing that. And I know you have given a lot of advice already to our business owners, but if there is just one last thing that you'd like to advise our business owners, ano yung pwede mong maibigay?
Yeah. So ako naman, I can only speak for automation, business process automation, because yun naman yung experience ko for the past 10 years. Pag pumili kayo ng automation process, you have to think na hindi masira yung diskarte mo kung paano ka nag-ooperate. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time and then minsan umabot ng 1 year, saka mo mare-realize na yung ginagamit mong automation or software, hindi siya fit and hindi siya scalable. Pagka meron kang new processes and flow na gusto i-implement, hindi adaptable yung system. So kailangan maingat kang pumili ng system. If you have the capability, hire an IT consultant, yung totoong IT consultant, hindi yung mga nasa YouTube lang at sa TikTok, okay? Yung totoo, yung may negosyo na IT consultant. Hire kayo noon kung hindi nyo alam para makita yung tamang process talaga. Yeah.
Thank you, Jazz. And we all know time is money, diba? Okay, once again, thank you so much. A round of applause for Franchise Flow. Thank you so much, Jazz.